How to connect two wireless Bluetooth speakers to a Galaxy Tab. All right, so this is a Samsung Tab, and the specific model in this video is the Tab S8 Ultra. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how to sync these two Bluetooth speakers of different brands to this here and have the audio come play through both of them here, right? So this is currently running Android 14, works the same for 13. Now let's get started. So I'm just gonna ask you to focus on the speakers first. The first thing you want to do is get these to pair up to your Samsung Tab. So here I got a Sony speaker. I'm going to go ahead and turn this one on here. All right, so it's in pairing mode. Then on the tab itself, you'll go into the Bluetooth settings. So I'll go ahead and adjust this camera from time to time so you can get an idea of what's really going on here, since the tab is quite big. So when you pull down the quick access, you'll see the Bluetooth option here. Go ahead and long press that and turn this on. And you're gonna go into details so you can get a better view of what's going on here. And it's currently on, and you're gonna see it's searching for nearby devices. Then you want to just wait for the speaker to show up here. So this is the first speaker here we're going to connect. So that's the Sony one. So go ahead and let that pair, get into the pairing request down here. We'll go ahead and press pair. And we're now connected. So while we're here now, let's go into the other speaker. And this is one of those, I think it's called the on speakers here. Let's go ahead and hold that down to get it into pairing.
Power on.
Okay. And
Bluetooth pairing.
And then just go ahead and scan again on your tab and wait for that speaker to show up. And once you see it, go ahead and tap on it. Just give it a few seconds. All right, so when you see that there, and same thing like the first speaker, you'll get the pairing request down here. Press pair.
Bluetooth
And now
connected.
You got both of them connected here. You're gonna see them both like this in the connected mode. And once you see that, it means your Samsung Tab has the dual audio mode. Not all Samsung Tabs has this, by the way, but when you get them both connected like this here, it means they're both able to play together at the same time. Now you can stay on this screen or come away, but the next step is go into the quick access. All right, so what you're looking for is what is known as the media output. Okay, so if you pull it down the first time, you'll see it here. And if you pull it down a second time, let's say you just don't see it at all, you can always go into this edit icon here. Just tap on that one time. Then that's gonna allow you to make changes to the quick settings, allowing you to see the media output, which is this option here. And you wanna make sure it's show when it's collapsed. Okay, so you wanna make sure it's set to that. This way you can have it shown when you pull it down. So if you don't see it, make sure it's set to shown when it's shown when you swipe it down, okay? Then you'll see media output. You want to go to that. And this here is where you're now going to see the media output for whatever you have connected. Then you'll see the last connected speaker will be selected, and you'll also see the previously connected speaker, which should be already connected. Go ahead and tap on that. And this now is going to give you the ability to have your Samsung Tab play with the two speakers connected together at the same time. Once you have them both checked like this here, and the volume is shown, that means you're able to play audio through both of them at the same time. And then hopefully this guide helped you out. Like and sub.